If you are someone who is looking to improve your life and your business, learn a new skill, create a passive income, or simply looking for ways to be more organized and productive in your life, then you've come to the right place. My name is Paul Milakeve, and I am a lifelong learner, serial side hustler, and content creator. I am an ordinary guy who has lived an extraordinary life, and I believe that you could do the same with just a little bit of dedication and a willingness to step outside of your comfort zone. I created this channel to share my insights and experience with a positive community of people who are looking to continuously learn and improve our lives together. We will explore the tools and resources that are available to us in this digital economy. We will look at product demos and tutorials. We will share book summaries, discuss the latest trends in business and technology, and we will explore the different opportunities that are available to you to expand your skills, redefine your future, and create your own path to personal development. If any of this sounds interesting to you, then make sure you go and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to take a deeper journey with me and understand all of my fears, my failures, and ride along with me on all of my projects, the best way to do that is by subscribing to my newsletter so I can send you weekly updates straight to your inbox. Both of those are at no cost to you. So I hope to see you on this journey. Thanks for tuning in.